Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 11th, 2018, and I wanted to show you the craspedia here. And it did finally bloom for me, and I guess this is what it's supposed to look like, I'm not sure. I really don't have too much to say about this particular plant. It won't be something that I will probably be growing again. I'm pretty disappointed with it. I mean, we're in July and this is like the first real bloom that I could even see with it. I've even tried feeding it bloom boosts and different things. So this will be one that I probably will not be growing again. I think I can better use my growing space for something different. You can see the plant down here. I just really don't have too much to say about it. But I wanted to give you an update on it. This is a bloom over here. I think that one there is spent. It didn't even open for me. So a lot of them didn't even open. They just died. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that. But if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button on time I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.